Most directory plugins give you one way to make money. Directorist gives you six. Out of the box, Directorist lets you charge businesses to feature their listing at the top of your directory. Payment comes in through bank transfer or PayPal. Add pricing plans and you can sell tiered memberships, locking certain features behind a paywall. Take payments directly with PayPal or Stripe, or route them through WooCommerce if that's how you already sell. Already added listings for businesses that haven't signed up yet. Claim listings lets them pay to take ownership and manage their own listing from the front end. Ad Manager puts ad space between your listings as banners, custom HTML, or through Google AdSense and Metapixel. You control where ads show and who pays for the space. With booking, listing owners can take appointments right from their listing and you earn a commission on every booking. It's a natural fit for service providers like consultants, doctors, and coaches. And with the free FormGent integration, you can place custom forms inside listings to collect leads sent straight to the listing owner. It's the easiest way to turn directory traffic into real business inquiries. 6 ways to earn one plugin. And we're not done. A dedicated lead generation add-on is already on the roadmap.